Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you this A2 legal Yamaha R3 310cc parallel twin entry-level sports bike for the A2 rider, and it is absolutely beautiful, finished in the factory Yamaha racing colours in silver and metallic blue, and I'm telling you, pictures just don't do this bike justice. So we've got a single disc with front and rear ABS, as is standard now on pretty much all bikes. The signature twin headlights, and obviously the daytime running light that you can see on the front at the moment. Very, very clean condition. It's a 2016 16 plate bike with 2 owners from new. Barely been used in the last year. As you can see, it's in really nice standard condition. No real modifications. We could supply an aftermarket seat cowl, tank pad, that sort of thing, and you would get 10% off accessories when you buy a bike from us or thereafter indefinitely. Things like tyres, chain and sprockets are all good on this bike. As you can see, it's been well maintained, well looked after. It's barely got a mark or any dirt on it at all. Interesting bike this, because whilst it has very sporty looks, actually it's quite a practical bike, so a lot of people would use these for commuting but also pleasure riding at the weekend. Really great MPG, really punchy 310cc parallel twin engine. Really nice entry level sports bike should you just pass your A2 licence. So there we go, the mileage 6,140. Both keys, all the manuals, and this bike is also data tagged. Nice little gear indicator there, which is a nice touch. I'll just give her a start up for you. So this bike does have the aftermarket R3 Akropovic exhaust on it. It does come with a standard one as well, but I think you'll agree that the Akro gives it a really nice deep sound to it. Give it a little rev for you. If you're interested in this bike, drop us a line. You can get us on WhatsApp, you can get us on Facebook, live chat, via website, email, that sort of thing. We can arrange for delivery to the buyer's address at your cost. Just give us a call and we'll give you a quotation. Or you can collect from us, view, as you would do normally, not a problem. 10% off aftermarket accessories and goodies if you buy it with the bike or after you've purchased the bike from us. And we do all the usual dealer stuff like part exchange as well. That's it from me. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.